The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Fulton County in Georgia until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, law enforcement reported flash flooding from heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall of 5 inches of rain are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will be experiencing flash flooding include Union City, Atlanta, and Van Hill. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.